Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. And I'll read from the seller's information at the auction. And the seller stated, nut and bolt rotisserie restoration just completed at a cost of $87,000. Paint is excellent. Air conditioning, Mach 1, $25,000 paint job. Fresh 351 Cleveland engine, 4-speed transmission, vintage air conditioning, console, Magnum 500 wheels, shaker hood, upgraded stereo. And it bid to $39,500, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice car, a beautiful paint job, that's for sure. He definitely paid for it. That's a fact. But on the windshield, he had another sign that he had some other things. But the car's had a lot of stuff done to it. And I'll put a picture in with the video, and you can see the things that have been done to it. You can just stop the video and take a look at it at the end of the video. And that was a little jolt, I'm sure, only getting half of what you spent on it, or less than half of what you spent. But that's how it goes in the car business, though. Anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with a $87,000 nut and bolt restoration. And it bid to $39,500, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. You can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.